Hello everyone, my name is JWinder and this is my data protocol, the 6 C's. What I've tried to create here is a tool that would be beneficial and helpful to our staff. So let's dive right in. Our first C is to collect. We're going to collect the data. We're going to identify what data we are looking at, and we're going to make sure everyone understands the data. Next, we're going to compose or create a question. We're going to identify a question that the data can answer. Then we're going to collaborate. We're going to work together in our collaborative grade level groups to look for patterns and trends. And through this process, we're going to share the work responsibility. Next, we're going to compare. We're going to analyze the data in collaborative groups. We're going to compare patterns, trends, and identify subgroups. Then we're going to create. We're going to create a plan of action based on our findings. Do we need to reteach something? Or how and where do we need to provide support for individual and school-wide improvement? And last, we're going to continue. We're going to continue monitoring progress, collaborating with grade level groups, looking for ways to offer support and enrichment, and for ways to improve instruction. Here's a little graphic I've put together to kind of show the continuous process. Now we're going to dive right into our 6C's data protocol graphic organizer. And like I said earlier, what I've tried to do is create a tool here that can be used by our staff, something that's user-friendly and will be beneficial in helping us improve. Step one, collect. The questions we're looking at here are what data are we looking at and do we understand it? Then we've got a column here for our findings and then any notes related to that step. Step two, compose. What question are we answering with the data? We can record our findings and any notes. Collaborate. What patterns and trends do we see? Compare. Have we identified any subgroups? Create. What is our best plan of action? How and where do we need to provide support? And last, continue. How do we ensure improvement throughout this whole process? So again, I've tried to create a tool that can be used by our staff, something that's user-friendly, and something to help us organize our findings and organize our thoughts as well. Thank you all for listening. I've enjoyed taking this class with you all. Take care.